Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Cluz. Right, and today I've got this elbow grease power paste that you can get from B&M for 89p. And I thought I'll buy some because I wanted to clean inside my air fryer. What I've done is obviously I took the handle off and I want to get all this grease off it. And inside I know it's quite bad. Apparently I've been told this will work. The idea is basically you get a sponge into the paste and you scrub it on the item, then leave it for a little while, then rinse it off with water. And it does say don't scrub the item too much. This will work on it works on glass, ceramics and metal. The top it gives you a few examples. You can actually use it on baths and all, microwaves, barbecues, tiles, pots and pans, cookers, toasters. Yes, I thought I'd give it a go. Let's open it up. All this gooey paste stuff. I'll get it off the lid first. Get it off the lid. Now, like I say, you have to scrub the item. Don't scrub it too hard. Just make sure the paste everywhere, all over it. And I recommend you, when you use this paste, use gloves. But obviously today I'm just because I'm showing you, I'm not using gloves. I don't think it's irritant anyway to your skin. It's got no irritant sign on it or anything like that. It does actually say don't get it in your mouth, obviously, of course, but don't get it in your eyes. But obviously I'll wash my hands straight away anyway. Quite a lot on. This is like from my air fryer. It's the drawer from my air fryer. I've basically took the handle off and I'm just gonna get all the grease out of it because it hasn't been cleaned for ages. I'm trying to get all the grease out of all the thing, and hopefully this will work. Well, hopefully. Let's screw it to one side. It does smell a bit lemony, I can smell. Like I say, if you do use this, make sure you wear gloves. Don't be like me, be stupid and not wear gloves. And I just can't be bothered to put gloves on. That's all. Where it's obviously baddy, you just basically put more on. Seems like it's working, seems like it's coming off anyway. Now, let's just rinse it. See if it actually does anything. As you can see, it does work. Look at that. But I do recommend that you obviously because it's not getting it all off, so you probably have to do it twice if it's really bad like this. But it is getting off. That's okay. Let's slow. Right. It does get it off, and it does do a good job of it, but like I say, if it's like really thick, like this, it's really thick of grease, it will need doing again. So you have to both do it twice if it's really bad. But yeah, it does work. I mean, is it worth the money? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah. Oh, it is lemon. That's got lemon. I wonder why I didn't see that. So it is actually a lemon. Stuff on grime, yeah. Give it a go. If you tried this, let me know what you think in the comments below. But apart from that, thanks for watching. Bye.